Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to review Plum Investment. Plum is a UK-based personal finance app that combines automated saving, investing, and budgeting tools to help users manage their money effortlessly. It connects to your bank account, analyzes your spending habits, and automatically sets aside small amounts of money, often without you noticed. This approach has helped many users save significant amounts over time, with some reporting savings up to £6,500 annually. Plum offers various subscription tiers, including a free basic plan and paid options like Pro £2.99 per month, Ultra £4.99 per month, and Premium £9.99 per month. The app provides access to a range of investment funds, including ISAs and pensions, with interest rates up to 5.18% AER for cash ISAs. Users can also engage in savings challenges like the 52-week challenge or set rules based on weather conditions such as saving more on rainy days. Plum is FCA regulated with FSCS protection, but some users report support issues and delayed interest. Overall, Plum is a user-friendly tool for those looking to automate their savings and investments, though it's advisable to review individual experiences before committing. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.